So this is the second question in paper 2, and again that deals with data handling and statistics. We get given a table relating blood alcohol levels to the risk of having a car accident. And now in question 2.1 they ask us to draw a scatter plot to represent this data. Okay, you'll probably have a graph paper to draw it on neatly. Again, I'm just going to draw a rough sketch here. So we'll say blood alcohol levels are the x-axis at the bottom and risk of car accident on the y-axis. So that just means these values here now make up different coordinates. So our first coordinate would be 0 and 1. So 0 and 1. Let's draw that one in there. Second coordinate would be 0.05 and 2.9, 0.05 and 2.9. Next one, 0.1, 8.5, 0.1, 8.5, 0.15 and 24.8, 0.15, 24.8, somewhere around there, 0.2 and 72.2, 0.2, 72.2, and our final coordinate 0.21 and 89.5. 0.21 and 89.5. Okay, so that's our scatter plot. That's just plotting the points from the coordinates given. For question 2.2, draw the line or curve of best fit on the diagram sheet. Yes, let's put this one back here. So what line or curve will best fit these points, this data? We can draw a straight line, and then we'll see on average the dots will be fairly far away from the line. Or we can draw a parabola. We see that's not going to work. The one that looks like it's going to work here is an exponential curve. So let's draw that. Okay, so that'll be our line of best fit. Some exponential or a straight line. Doesn't really matter what type of curve it is. But it must be a continuous curve. You cannot just connect by straight lines each dot. That does not count as a line of best fit. Okay, so that's that. Now describe the trend of the data. Now if we see this dot here, again that'll just be the name of the graph. If it was a straight line, your graph would just be straight line graph. And if it's exponential in this case, you would just say the trend is exponential. And that's all we need for 1 mark. 2.4. Estimate the probability of having a car accident when one's blood alcohol level is 0.18%. And the legal limit we know is 0.05. So if you have that, you've 3 times over the limit. Okay, so we need to estimate car accident when blood alcohol level is 0.18. Okay, so blood alcohol level, we look for 0.18. That should be around here. Well, let's see if we take 0.18 round about there, and then we see what happens when we connect to this side. Okay, let's say that value. Okay, so we'll call this 0.18. And this looks like it's about 50. Okay, so we'll say that we estimate the probability of having a car accident when one's blood alcohol level is 0.18 to be 50%. Well, that's really just 50%, and they'll see you're working out on the graph itself. Well, that's it for question 2.